Kisii County yo babere bakuboliwa weso kebene nabo igo kwelikia asomorovelio o Ajiry elinde gokonyeka asamatko alebosio okwana omugavana we county ya Kisii Simba asegetiye chigosoli kia Gusii Stadium nigo alireira gusira omorovelio asenekebuna nigabasa bange barachigokonyeka wetera konyora obosemia nabo igo obomanyi igoro yo kwegenderia ase obugima bwabo mulikito Hamisi Josephat norobotiro asinchira yobwagale
omubaro omonge w'abasayimense ya Kenya nigo ireire abangi bamenyete amonobotaka nabo igo gotatwara obumanyi ure chinchira abagene tukoba kugenderia sobugima bwabo bwakiralituko kinake ireire oboteneri we county ya Kisii ise omugavana Simba kubwaterana amone byombe gati yabo ya Mastercard ilikwana kibuna bachakire omorobeli bwa Ajiry uyolengete kwana na oboseme n'obumanyi uchi abasayime county ya Kisii gati yabo obumanyi anene bwamangana yekerero buna ICT.
The youths constitute over 20% of the population, and this poses a challenge with regard to training and employment opportunities. We therefore need to think outside the box to enable the youth to access knowledge, skills, and the means to make a living through a venture like Ajiry.
Rituko lya lero nigo ababwatani abanyarako bagwikirana asegeti kia Gusii Stadium asekerengagyo koena na amaigiri gochia asabasai igore chinchira baranyarako bakwegendereria chinga kiba kolire chisemi chabo nabo igo kutwara obumanyi igoro yechinchira baranyarako bakoligia emeremo
where our youths have an important opportunity to be trained in financial management. This is beside the skills acquired in ICT training here at Kisii Ajiry Center. This is the only Ajiry Center now which has become a benchmarking in the entire country. Ajiry is a progressive web application, BWA, designed to provide a platform for the youths to connect and network effortless, convenient, and free from control of third-party agents.
Ababwatani nigo banyareko bagocha kwenekia buna omosayime county ya Kisii onyareko bagagusirwa asaba igo mosamalimu yanyareko bagagwesokia na kwena na ebekari irachiko begokonya abasae banyareko bagakwenyolera emeremo.
Since we have approached a well-wisher who was today, and I'm happy that this gentleman, a young man again, donated a bakery equipment which will be installed at appropriate premises so that a section of the youths can engage in bread and conventional business. The young man could not join us here, but he has sent bakery co-op. Tutaona nani tunapea kama you organize properly.
Chinga ki echecho nigo mugavana Simba hata biranyareko bagakobeka ekigancha kichi milioni 40 kubwaterana amone byombe iliyo kwena kebuna chibese cyanyareko bachigokonya abasae iliyo kwegendereria kubwaterana amo nebyombe ebibaranyareko bagochakia.
As a county again, we had set us 40 million aside for credit. Na nasikia ya youth fund hakuna hata ndururu faida, hata yetu hakuna hata ndururu. It's only that you organize yourself, there is money, you do something. Hakuna kazi duniani. Lazima we must utilize them properly, especially in this year. Sasa na any assistance they need, wacha tuwape. Tuhakikishe kwamba wamesaidia vijana wetu in the 9 sub-counties.
Kuripotiri kataseni kia Ndizi TV kuruegeti kia Gusii Stadium ikigotoka imeye county ya Kisii eliterana Josephat Hamisi.